lower 30 centimeters gauge influence sensor. Then I will teach you how to vary. First, this was the transmitter, and this was the receiver. And now you can see the inside of the transmitters. You can connect the 4-piece lines. These 2 ports with anti-shift light, the yellow and the green. And these 2 lines connect with the power supply. These 2 lines connect with the power supply. For the receiver, inside with the 7-piece line. These 2 ports connect with the anti-shift line. And the red and the black connect with the power supplies. The pink was the normally closed lines, and yellow was the public lines, and the green was the normally opened lines. And you can see it's inside we connect with the relay. And this was the red light connect with the power supply.